Okay, here we are, week 3 of our giveaway spree. I really just feel like I'm just like Oprah right now. You get a PC, and you get a PC, and you get a PC. I wish I could give you all PCs, but I'm not Jeff Bezos, and even then it may not be enough money with the current market. Okay, so week 3 is brought to you by Origin PC, and they have ponied up one of their amazing Alder Lake Millennium PCs. This is a brand new system that they literally just launched because of Alder Lake, and now one lucky winner out there has a chance to win this pre-built system. So the Millennium PC is featuring obviously an Alder Lake CPU, DDR5, an RTX graphics card. It's fully assembled. It's gonna come to you more than likely in a wooden crate, just like they come to me. So make sure you have some power tools ready and not a saw. Don't use a saw on it, like unscrew it. It is screwed together. Trust me when I say, if you are trying to get your hands on a PC or even just parts to a PC, you are not going to want to miss the opportunity to win the Millennium PC. In fact, we have a review of this system, and you guys will be able to check that out here on the channel if you haven't already. So that is going to be an amazing system. I mean, the Millennium PC, if you guys are familiar with Origin PC at all, is an absolute beast. And this one here with all the latest Intel hardware is absolutely no slouch whatsoever. So just like before, and I know this sounds like a broken record, but I have to say this every single time. I ask that you be subscribed to the channel. Our video content is free everywhere around the world, and there's no import tax on our videos. At least I don't think so, but that's besides the point. Be subscribed to the channel so you don't miss out on our videos or these future giveaways when they happen. You're responsible for any import tax. That sucks, but that's the way it is. These are legit legal giveaways involving major companies, and all of the laws and stuff must be followed. No, we're not gonna fudge any forms so that you don't have to pay import taxes. This is unfortunately the way it is. This is the law. We follow the law. So please, if you don't think you have the means to cover the import tax, start begging or borrowing now, or don't enter the giveaway because we don't want to get tied up in customs while we wait for it to get returned. Besides that, you guys can find a link down in the description below that's gonna tell you all about the Millennium PC as well as our giveaway link, so you can find all the rules and regulations, and it's gonna be up to you to also determine whether or not your particular area is eligible to win giveaway items. Not all areas are. We will be checking, by the way, the winner and the address that they provide us. We will be cross-referencing that with the known giveaway void list, and if you're in that area, you will not be eligible to win. The other thing too is you can only win one prize this month. If you were lucky enough to win one of the other 2 giveaways, you were not eligible for this one or the future giveaway of this month, but later on in the year or whatever we do will be a whole different story. I don't think it's something we have to worry about when it comes to the law of probability, but there's a reason why that's a law is because it's still probable. So let's just all be nice and fair, and nobody needs to win 2 systems. We all want 2 systems, but we don't need to win 2 systems. I say that with these systems sitting on the table behind me, but that's besides the point. I built those. Anyway, guys, thanks for watching. Good luck to everyone out there that is going to enter. Don't forget to follow the links down below, and you have to enter through our official entry pages. The winner will be announced on Twitter the following Monday, and the winner will be notified by email from me directly, not some spam account doing WhatsApp crap down in the comments below. Everyone flag those accounts as spam and frauds because that's exactly what they are. And Gleam will not be contacting you directly. It's important that people realize that. Everyone emails me going, did I win? Did I win? It's like, if you didn't get an email from me, you didn't win. That's the way it works. All right, guys, thanks for watching. And as always, we'll see you in the next one.